Okay. Comparing quantity. Now we start. The
Question number
number
5D.
question number 3 part. Look at here. Find the whole quantity. Don't know. Find the whole quantity. So let add the whole quantity. Quantity be x. Be x. Then then according to question. According to question. X 70% of x is equal to 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Now 17 of
पापा
this
जी
multiply
पापा के
70x by
मालूम
percent means 1
मालूम
by
मालूम तो
100.
चाहिए नहीं
Percent means 1 by 100.
Hello,
I will meet
यस सर
si Pansari Kumari, sir.
I will meet all of you. Now 70 into x by 100 is equal to 14 minutes, and therefore x is equal to 14 into 100 upon 70, and the unit comes minute. This zero cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Therefore x is equal to 20 minutes, and that is our answer. Write down. Write down. Write down. Now comes to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Convert percentage to decimal fraction. Convert percentage. Percent to decimal fraction. Now, the first part is 25%. First you write in the fraction form, we write 25 by 100. And you simplify 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, and 1 by 4. And 100 by 4, oh sorry, in the denominator, if it is the multiple of 10 or a tens, multiple of tens, then you cannot simplify. You very easily you put the decimal. हम लोगों ने previous chapter में पढ़ा है, so we put two digits before decimal because here 2 zeros are there, so 0.25, and that is our answer. Because here convert percent as a decimal fraction, we write in the decimal form. That is our answer. Now comes to the next part of this question. The next part of this question, B part, 150%. So first you remove the percent, convert the percentage as a fraction. We write 150 by 100. This zero with zero cancel. We write 15 by 10. Then it is the multiple of 10. Then put the decimal 1 digit before because we have 1 0 there, and we write 1.5, and that is our answer. Okay. Now at on the D part of this question, 5%, we write 5 by 100 and 2 digits before. So here is only 1 digit, we put 0 and 0, 0.05, and that is our answer. Okay, this is my answer. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any problem?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No.
सर 100 नीचे जितना जीरो उतना ही वो करेंगे,
अरे
उतने
भाई,
ही स्टेप आगे जाएंगे ना।
हम लोगों ने डेसिमल और फ्रैक्शन पढ़े थे, आपको हमने पढ़ाया था।
यस सर।
अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 10 और 10 के मल्टीपल्स है तो हम विदाउट डिवीजन वी पुट द डेसिमल, मैंने सिखाया था, आप शायद उस समय होंगे तो।
सर सी पार्ट भी समझा दीजिए।
हैं? चलिए
सर अभी टाइम है, समझाइए।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes, sir. 7 number.
चलिए
यस सर।
क्वेश्चन नंबर
ये बहुत आसान है सर,
क्वेश्चन
ये
नंबर
इस तरह।
इन ए सिटी
63 30% are
नहीं,
female, 40 are
30% आर फीमेल
girls and women are
are
child. What?
बोल रहा है, मत बोलो
एंड
सर, समझा देंगे।
40% आर मेल,
जाओगे?
remaining are children, remaining are
Asif,
are
You will be help.
remaining are children. Sorry, you easily find the number of children. So we know the number of, therefore number of children percent, children का percentage निकाल सकते हैं। number of children percentage is equal to
30%.
minus 100 minus 30 plus 40 and that comes percentage. ये percent लग गया तो
30% answer.
Yes sir.
percent and that is
Yes, sir.
30%।
so what is
80 हम
30%.
बोल दिए हैं।
1% of the children is that is
आसिफ
सर
that is
सर
our answer.
14% के नीचे क्या लिखे हैं सर? 40% के नीचे।
ये 70 30 plus 40
नो सर, सर स्टेटमेंट में
number of
ये
children
ऑफ चिल्ड्रन परसेंट
percentage में
पहले।
थोड़ा सा अच्छे से percentage of children लिख सकते थे स्टेटमेंट में, मैंने तो ऐसे ही लिख दिया number of children percentage या percentage of children. ओके, ये थोड़ा अच्छा स्टेटमेंट नहीं है।
सर पहले हम लोग उसको प्लस कर लेंगे ब्रैकेट वाले को।
हाँ, पहले प्लस भी कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं ऐसे। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
अनिकेत।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 in question number 8, out of 15,000 voters in a constancy, out of 15,000 voters in a constancy, 60% voted. That means 60% votes given by them. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. That means the given percentage of voters are 60%, and you subtract it 100 minus 60, it comes 40%. That means the 40% of voters they did not vote. So first we write number total voters.
अनिकेत।
हाँ,
Voters are
हाँ,
15,000 and
बोलो यार।
percentage
अनिकेत
of voters,
हाँ,
मत बोलो।
percentage
चुपचाप रहो ना, तुम मत पढ़ो।
vote
दिमाग खराब करोगे।
डोंट टॉक टू
बस
ईच अदर।
दिमाग भी है।
they
अनिकेत
voted
हाँ,
equal to 60%. Therefore, percentage of voters they did not put
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है
percentage
क्या
percentage of voters they
सर
they
वोटर
they did not vote equal 100 minus 60%, and that is 40%. This is my first part of this. Can you now find how many
Yes, sir.
actually did not vote? The numbers of voters numbers of voters
सर वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 लिख दीजिए।
they
सर 6000 आंसर
they did not vote equal
सर अब आगे का खुद
40%
से कर लेंगे।
of 15,000
प्लीज
15,000 and it counts.
सर अब आगे का कर लेंगे खुद से।
Okay.
परसेंटेज ऑफ वोटर्स के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
सर 6000 आंसर
Percentage of voters they did not vote.
यस सर अब कर
Now
लेंगे,
the
अब कर लेंगे सर।
numbers of voters
आसिफ
did not vote. So this zero cancel to this zero cancel to this zero, and 15 fours are 60. And how many zero? One,
सर आपका आवाज फ्रेश नहीं आ रहा है
one, two.
यस सर
6,000 voters.
CP is winning the match.
voters.
सर म्यूट एवरीवन
And that is our answer.
अरे आसिफ क्यों ज्यादा बोलते यार?
That is our answer.
यस सर
Okay. And now question number 9. Meeta saves 400 from her salary. Meeta saves 400 from
निकित
her salary. Is this 10% of salary? So first, I don't know what is the salary. First, assume the Meeta's salary be X rupees. So first, आप लोगों ने ये
Yes, sir.
write down कर लिया? Write down?
Yes, sir.
ये last question है।
यस सर
मैं करा दूं आज time
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 भी कर लिए
time
10
मिला
भी
है
कर लिए
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो।
यस सर
आज टाइम बहुत few time भी
डिले हो गया सर, डिले हो गया
Six
सर।
will left. Only one question be. I will do it.
चैप्टर 11 तक कर लिए हैं
Question number 9. Meeta saves 400 from her salary, and what her salary? Let the
90%।
Meeta's salary be rupees
एक्स
X. हमने rupees X मान ली salary. Then according to question हम लोग को लिखेंगे 10% of salary. So that is 10% of salary is equal to he saves
आसिफ
10% of salary is rupees 400. Now the Meeta's salary is X, so we write here 10% of X. It is rupees X equal to rupees 400. So we write 10 into
आसिफ
we write here
करो
rupees X upon 100 rupees 400. This rupees and this rupees cancel to each other. Zero cancel. So X is equal to 400 into this 10 by cross multiplication. Go to the right hand side, and X is equal to 4,000. And this value put there. Therefore Meeta
जो सी वाला नवाबर
salary
किताब मेरे
rupees
अभी खत्म हो गया
4,000, and that is
3
our
मिनट
answer. Write down. देखिए
सर ओनली 3 मिनट लेफ्ट
एक बार once again repeat this.
सर
I don't
Yes,
know
sir.
what is the Meeta salary. In mathematics, if you know about the things or a object XYZ, you assume X. So let Meeta salary be rupees X. Then according to question, 10% of
10%
is
of
the
salary
same salary.
equal to
10%
rupees
is the
400.
salary
Yes, sir.
is 400 equal 400. And now 10% of salary. Salary is my x. So 10% of x is equal to rupees 400. And 10x by 100 rupees equal 400. This rupees and this rupees both are cancelled to each other. And this 0 cancelled to this 0. And it x is equal to, and this 10 by the cross multiplication go to the other side. And x comes 4000. This 4000 you put here, यहाँ रख देंगे, इंसाज की सैलरी आ जाएगी 4000. And that is our answer. Any problem?
Yes, sir.
कोई
No,
दिक्कत?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
उज्जवल,
No, sir.
उज्जवल गौतम, उज्जवल,
No, sir.
उज्जवल मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? उज्जवल,
सर आईपीएल कौन जीतेगा?
उज्जवल आवाज,
RCB.
उज्जवल, समझ में आया? How minutes we left? कितने मिनट्स में?
आईपीएल कौन जीतेगा?
2 minutes.
उज्जवल आप बताइए. How minutes we
Sir,
left?
2 minutes.
Don't
End
say.
this minute.
मैं उज्जवल से पूछ रहा हूँ.
10.
उज्जवल कितना समय बाकी है? हेलो? Now tomorrow your
Sir,
homework
वो
is. Tomorrow your
बच्चा
homework
नहीं है
is.
सर.
Tomorrow your homework
सर
is.
वो सब वाला बच्चा नहीं है सर.
Question number 9th and 10th you have completed.
हम तो
आप लोग
जो तो से
करेंगे?
आगे ही बनी.
You have completed. That means the exercise
Sir,
8.2
tomorrow
completed in your homework copy.
15 students are.
Only.
Okay.
Yes, please write down. Your tomorrow homework is completed exercise 8.2 in your homework.
अनिकेत.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now,
और वीडियो
and tomorrow we start the ratio to percentage.
क्या?
Ratio to percentage start.
वीडियो ओपन कर दो.
Okay?
So what is the homework?
Exercise
open करो यार.
exercise 8.2
हाँ,
completed. Completed. That means
वीडियो ओपन करो.
question number 9 and 10.
नहीं, इधर बारिश हो रहा है.
आप लोगों को करना है 9 और 10.
करना दे.
Okay?
नंबर देना आसिफ.
Sir, Dozala दिख रहा है.
क्या चीज?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
नंबर दे.
तो आज हमारा यहीं तक
नंबर
है.
देना अपना.
Okay?
अरे अपने व्हाट्सएप मैं तेरा खोज
Any
के
problem?
व्हाट्सएप.
Any problem?
Sir, इसमें कोई number
No,
नहीं
sir.
है.
So can I
No, sir.
close this?
अनिकेत.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Who will win the IPL?
So thank you all of you.
हाँ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.